Hi, I'm Isabella. This is my friend Chandra.
Hi.
We're finally giving us a YouTube channel, so we're gonna introduce ourselves and let's start with Chandra.
My name is Chandra, and I'm going to tell you some stuff about Vanessa. She's a really good friend. She's really sweet. And she's always nice to everybody, even if they're mean to her. No matter what, she's always been there for me, and she is like a sister to me, and I never want to lose her.
Oh, thank you, girl. You're so sweet. I'm just kidding. But you are sweet. Now I'm gonna tell you about my friend Chandra. Chandra is a cool person. She can be a little sassy sometimes. That's why I love her. She's everything. She's just awesome. She's very funny. She's very sweet, and she likes to do the gas pedal a lot. So, you wanna do it for these people? No? Okay. You know you love me, Chandra. What else to say? She's everything a guy would ever want in a girl. She makes everybody happy. She always sticks up for herself, and she can be the best person ever. And I'm so lucky to call her my sister. Love you, girl. So yeah, we're starting a new channel. Chandra, Isabella. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't dislike. Please. Now say something. Bye. Bye, I guess.